driving tuition. We have a Sukhil with us again, and we are going to do another parking, which is a parallel parking. So Sukhil, I would like you to go parallel to this car, then reverse back and park reasonably close to the curb and leave a 2-car length gap, please, in between you and the car up front. So when you're ready. And Sukhil got this one terribly wrong. Put the wiper on, please. One up. Okay, just leave it there. Right, how was it?
First, I got the wrong side, then got rectified it.
Now, let me just talk through. How would you do it when you start? From here, you went next to the car. What do we need to do from there then?
It should be like exactly parallel to the car. Then when the door panel touches that car's door panel, we turn.
Which door panel are we talking about?
The central panel, central door panel.
Right, okay. Right, okay. Okay, what do we do from there then?
Turn all the way left.
Okay.
Then when the back door handle touches the curb, we turn back around.
Okay, good. And what happened when you were doing it the first time? Which door handle you were touching?
The first one.
Okay. Now, you fixed it. But were we not too close to the car? The car did make a sound, didn't it?
The second time we were really close to the car.
Very close to the car. Now, what your theory tells you how much gap you should be leaving when you...
At least one door length.
Door length, good. Well, we fixed it somehow. We did it. We put the door handle there and you fix it. Which you can see that the front is tiny bit still out gap compared to the left on the back there. Now you got to remember your references. Now what was the reference? The reference was my wing mirror should touch the center of the car, not pillar to pillar. Because when you go pillar to pillar, you right pedal to the car still. And if I turn that, because you did a one full lock to the left, and there's more chances that I'm going closer straight away
to the car.
So if I do a door handle, the wing mirror touch the center, half of my car's already away from the car now. And I do only one turn. So when we're doing the one turn, I'm even going further away from the car now. Well, that car is a hazard for me at the moment, unless my car is gone away from the car. And then I can do it. So once you came in, back door handle, as soon as the back door handle touch, what you do with the steering, you go crazy on the steering wheel. Left and then right. Left. You got to do step by step. You started fine. Door handle touch, stop the car, take the turn out, put a little bit turn, which is we normally do half turn. put the half turn there and see how you feel with it. If you think I need a more turn, you go for it.
Yeah.
Remember when you came in, you were doing fine, but all of a sudden you turn the wheel too much to the right, car came out. Then you turn too much to the left to bring it more in. So just do step by step, and you'll see the car just parked automatically there. Okay. Shall we do one more time?
Sure.
Just look over your shoulder and go back a bit more, please. Thank you. Yeah, nice and smooth this time.
Yeah.
Well done. Now, do you know when you came half in, door handle touched, and you turn high slightly to the right, 3/4 to the right, and then now you're thinking, shall I go forward?
Yeah.
Shall I just fix it by going?
Fix it back.
And that was a good result. So instead of going forward, you just went for the full turn,
so that it
the
comes
car
back
responded to you nicely there.
Yeah.
Well done with parking. Right, okay, let's